Ah, hello.
I'll stay here and guard this area. Hey, stop that!
Greetings.
See you later.
Hey, you take me down!
No, I don't want to die.
Hey, eat this, you bastard!
Oh my God, we're doomed.
Bring it on!
I've got to get out of here. No, please.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV protective system.
Bastard!
Oh dear. My goodness.
Ooh, something died down here.
Stop!
You talk too much. It's hard to say. It can't get any worse than this, can it? Die, you bloodsucker!
You'll just have to wait until after the test.
Friends like you. Man.
Excuse me. Fine. You won't even know I'm here.
Hey, eat this, you bastard!
This is as far as I go.